Hello, this is Kirk, and I'd like to narrate this video. This is here in the Villages, Florida, at the Olympia Recreation Center. You can see the platform tennis courts and the pickleball courts there. Below tennis courts. Here we are going almost west. The Olympia Recreation Center building. Gym is on the left. On the right there, the grassy area, that's the dog park. And you can see the Olympic sports pool. Here in the Villages, sports pools are only for residents. Coming up to Central Lake and Sunset Island, you can see the boat dock there. And the blue building there on the right is the boathouse. That's where Melissa, my wife, does her dragon boat racing. The houses there straight ahead, that is the village of LaGrange. They are still building it. I don't believe anyone lives there in that portion yet. But that house right there on the corner, on the left there, the lot alone was, I believe, $699,000. But good view of Hotel Eastport across Central Lake, and you can see the town square of Eastport to the right there, facing roughly, well, it's roughly east. You got the driving range on the left and the Bel Air Executive Golf Course in the center. On the right there is the village of Lakeview, currently under construction. You can see the putting green there, just the practice putting, and the starter shack. That is the driving range, the building up on top. That's the Golf Academy. So there's the driving range, very nice driving range. And looking back out over Eastport. Hotel on the left. And that is right downtown towards near Main Street. The blue tarp area thing that you see there, that is above the stage where the nightly entertainment is. In the center, that's the Welcome Home Center. And then you turn around, and that is actually Main Street right there. You can see that's golf cart only parking. See a golf cart pulling in. And most of these shops are not open yet. Currently, we have a coffee shop and a steakhouse, the hotel, and a Mediterranean restaurant. The building on the right is the Villages Healthcare. And that building there is the Villages Golf Cars. That's where they sell golf carts. And they actually keep them stored up on the roof. You can see the ramp there on the left side of the building. Our cart did come from there, but we did not buy it from them. We bought it used. I'm not sure what that construction area is on the left. Not sure what that will be. But approaching, well, on the right there, that is the village of Water's Edge. That is the soccer field, that little cabana on the right. That is where I am located flying the drone. And you can see out towards the softball fields. And then over there, I believe that's Farmstead. That's future villages. A year from now, those will all be houses. So that tan area in the middle, that's sand volleyball courts. That's where we play beach tennis. And you can see the softball fields are kind of brown, but we're currently in a drought here and have watering restrictions. So hopefully we'll be able to water soon. But all those fields out there will be houses someday. Back towards the soccer field and the village of Water's Edge. Water's Edge is complete. And this is going roughly south, I believe. That's Central Parkway, going left to right and north to south there. Up and down is Bexley Trail. And then back towards Eastport. See the gym. Beautiful day today. I flew this just a couple hours ago here on Cinco de Mayo. You can see me in my white shirt there by the cabana. You can see the streets and the lots are getting ready. See a little pond there. I think I took it up here up to 400 feet, which is the maximum legal altitude I can fly. And that is looking towards the village of LaGrange. And way out there on the right side is where, I'm sorry, right there is our village of Edenfield. And then back at Central Lake and the village of Water's Edge there. Busy place. So straight up above the soccer field, you can see that little white dot. That is me. And I think I'm dropping it down to bring it closer to Earth. I had a drone mishap last July in Louisiana. Took it up 86 feet above my driveway, and it fell from the sky and broke into many pieces. I had to replace it. And I was just playing with this, and I believe it was a battery failure. So I tried that old battery today on my first flight, and after about 5 seconds, it was only up about 3 or 4 feet. It flipped over and landed on the ground upside down, but no damage. But I just wanted to share this video and describe what you're seeing there. The Villages is an amazing place. If you're not familiar with it, look it up. It's the largest retirement community in the United States, if not the world. 160,000 people. I heard 86 square miles, over 20 miles from north to south. This is the southern end. 5 town squares, nightly musical entertainment at all 5 town squares, 365 days a year, and lots of golf. I think nearly 70 golf courses. Really, really awesome place. All right, that's it.